Standard form of ellipses. There is a standard form for horizontal and vertical ellipses. So the formula for the standard form of a horizontal ellipse is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. And the standard form of a vertical ellipse is x minus h squared over b squared plus y minus k squared over a squared equals 1. So notice the difference between the two formulas. In the formula for the horizontal ellipse, the a squared is in the first term's denominator, and the b squared is in the second term's denominator. But in the standard form of a vertical ellipse, the a squared is in the second term's denominator, and the b squared is in the first term's denominator. So the question is, how do you know if an ellipse will be horizontal or vertical before you graph it? Remember that a represents 2a represents the length of the major axis. And also remember that 2b represents the length of the minor axis, which means that a is always going to be larger than b. So, if the denominator of the first term is greater than the denominator of the second term, then the ellipse is horizontal. If the denominator of the first term is less than the denominator of the second term, then the ellipse is vertical.